Hey Team 101, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold and crude oil from 21 till 22 July. And if you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing. Let's begin. Here I have drawn two resistance zones, some around this one, which we have seen that the market has break, and we have seen in bullish move where I have suggested that if we see a breakthrough above this resistance, we can go for a long position on a pullback, and the team members who have gone pullback would be in profit right now. Here let me draw the support trend line. That would be some around here. This is the second resistance which we can expect that the market can hit in a longer time frame, such as in N1 or 2 week. Moreover, we can also see in divergence. Let me also highlight that as the market is making a higher high, as you can see, as I have plotted on the chart, higher high move. However, the indicator is making a lower high move, some around here, some around here. Thus, this suggests a regular bearish divergence, which suggests that we can see a bearish move in the market for the gold. Moreover, we can also draw the outer and inner resistance zone, or first let me draw the ascending channel which we have spotted. This was the above resistance of the channel. Some around here. Moreover, we can also see that the market is making an pattern which is in symmetrical ascending channel. Moreover, we can also draw an outer resistance for the market. Let me draw that also. This would be the outer resistance, and this will be the inner resistance. That would be some around here till here. The outer resistance is quite an major resistance, as if we extend this line, we can see that the market has been respecting this range. Here we have seen it bounce, here again seen it bounce, here also we have seen it bounce, and this one is an inner resistance. This one is an inner resistance. Here we have, if we extend this, we can see that the market has been also respecting this resistance trend line. However, this is a minor resistance. Just what I am expecting for the market to do is that we have seen a quite bullish move in the market, and as suggested that we can see a breakthrough above here, as we have seen, and I have suggested to go long on and retest on hourly on a 1-day chart. Thus, we have seen a bullish move. Now, what I am expecting the market to do is that there are two scenarios. Either after testing this inner resistance as shown, which we have drawn some around here and here, we have seen a test, we can see an higher high move targeting this resistance. Let me remove the outer resistance. There are two scenarios. If we see a breakthrough above it, we can see an higher high move testing towards this resistance. Moreover, what I am more into is that we can see a bearish move in the gold after testing this resistance, and the fact is that we have seen a huge bullish move without any significant correction in the gold. Thus, due to which I will be looking to go short some around here, some around 1830, with a take profit of some around 1823. However, in a longer time frame, we are bullish, and our stop losses for that short would be just placed very near to the resistance, which would be some around 1834, and our take profit would be 1825 with a take profit with an risk to reward of approx 1:1.5. Moreover, in another scenario, as explained, if we do not see any significant correction, rather we see a break higher high move as we have seen here, then same scenario and same strategy would be adopted, going long on and pullback towards the resistance, turning into an support with our stop losses just placed some around 1819 with our take profit of this above resistance of the ascending channel of some around 1848. This trade will give an risk to reward of approx 1:1.37. Again repeating, there are higher chances that we can see an higher high move in the gold rather seeing correction. Reason behind me being bearish for the gold for a shorter time frame is only due to the fact that we have seen a significant bullish move without any significant correction. Thus, we are expecting a correction. However, what would be an ideal place to go long again with a higher lot size would be a retest towards this support, which is here. Thus, if we see any correction after testing this minor resistance turning towards this support, thus we will be looking for in long opportunities with our stop losses just place some around 1803 with our entry trigger point of 1822 with our take profit of above resistance 1861. Do keep in the mind that this resistance, this take profit would take some around 1 to 2 weeks to be reached. However, the risk to reward would be some around 1:2, approx 1:2. Summarizing it, there are two scenarios, either a break upwards. If there is a break upwards, we will go for a long opportunities on in pullback with a take profit of here with a stop loss just placed some around 1813. However, if we see resistance at this point, we will go for a short position. Do keep in mind this short position will have less chances of hitting our take profit, and there would be a higher probability to go to hunt for our stop losses. So do keep in mind before taking in short position on in gold. However, we will be going on and long or filling our longs again testing at the test of this support trend line, which would be some around either some around 1822 or either some around 1815. Thus, a long position can be created in this range with our stop losses some around 1803. We are currently on 4-hourly chart for the crude oil. Here the market is making an higher high some around here till here. Let me change its color to orange so it's more prominent. However, the market on an RSI is making N double top. Thus, this is a regular bearish divergence which suggests that we can see a bearish move in the market for the crude oil. We have seen an higher high move in the crude oil, and we can see that the market is currently testing a resistance zone as drawn above. Now we are looking for going short on the crude oil with our take profit of this support zone with our stop losses just placed above the resistance zone. However, if we hit our stop losses, we will be looking for long opportunities. Thus, the stop loss would be placed around 42.85 cents, $42.85 with our entry trigger point would be some around 42.30 with our take profit of 40.30. 41.45. However, if we see and break through above the resistance and our stop losses hit, then we will be looking for going long on the crude oil on a pullback towards the resistance, turning into an support, and the take profit would be updated in my next daily forecast, which would be tomorrow. And our entry trigger point for going long would be some around 42.63, with our take profit would be updated, with our stop losses would be placed some around 41.78. If you are new to the channel, do consider subscribing, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.